Burr. Getting kind of cold. Well, I'm making a little video to let everybody know that well, I still have to get the snow off of there, but sorry, I've got shivering. Oh, it's not too bad. 20. We had a little breach in the roof here. Yeah. This is the part that I tried to repair after that giant pig went through the walls and that, but it was, and the Bendy tree is holding up the rest of the roof in here. Thank you, Bendy tree. I'm gonna go back in the RV, not RV, my Subaru, to warm up a little bit. But I'm gonna try to keep the snow off of this whole side here. I'm getting kind of bendy, tarby thing going. And then in a couple days from now, after the storm is finished, then we'll get the roof put up on here on this side. If anybody wants to come and help me, it's okay with me, but you better have a 4-wheel drive. Talk to you later.